Hey SolidWorks fam! Welcome back to 3D Mechanical Design, the channel where we turn drawings into fully modeled parts, one feature at a time. What we're building today. In this video, we're tackling CSWP Practice Level 14, Problem 14.1, with a special focus on the rib tool, one of the fastest ways to add stiffening features without oversketching. As always, the download link for the 3D model is in the description so you can follow along step by step. We'll keep units in MMGS, millimeter, gram, second, and the origin at the lower left corner. For verification, the target volume is 377,718.5 cubic mm. Start on the front plane. With the origin as your reference, draw a corner rectangle, size 25 by 150 millimeters. Extrude boss to 190 millimeters. That's 200 minus 10 as shown on the drawing. For the cutout on the right face, sketch a corner rectangle, dimension it, and set it 10 millimeters from the edge. Then use extruded cut with a depth of 19 millimeters. 25 millimeters minus 6 millimeters. Add the lid with handle using the provided dimensions. Nothing tricky here, just follow the drawing. The rib setup, the star of this video. Ribs are perfect for reinforcing thin walls or adding structure with minimal sketch work. Here's how we'll do it efficiently. Create a reference plane offset 3 mm from the top surface. This gives us a clean sketch plane right where the ribs need to start. On that plane, sketch 1 horizontal center line. For vertical lines spaced equally, use a spacing of 33.5 mm between vertical lines and set each rib's half width to 1.5 mm. So full rib width will be 3 mm. That puts the outer ribs at 35 mm from center, matching the drawing. Fully define the sketch with dimensions and relations. With the sketch selected, click the Rib feature, Features tab, Rib, or Insert Features Rib. In the Rib Property Manager, set rib thickness to 3 mm. Choose both sides symmetrical to the sketch line, so material grows evenly left/right of each line. Confirm the extrusion direction points into the part. Use flip material side if needed. SolidWorks will automatically generate all ribs from your line sketch. Super clean and fast. Final check, volume. Once the ribs are in, check the mass properties. Our model's volume comes out to 377,718.5 cubic mm, which matches the drawing exactly. That's your green light. The model is correct. The Rib tool lets you create multiple stiffeners from simple lines. No need to extrude each one individually. Setting symmetrical thickness ensures consistent rib widths and avoids asymmetric geometry headaches. If this walkthrough helped you nail CSWP-style rib problems, drop a like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next level. New videos every week. See you in 14.2.